Hey lovelies, so I am back again. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm doing one of my smoothies this summer. I've been working out with two amazing instructors, guys. You need to check them out. Phase Fitness and Funky Fitness. Go check them out on Instagram. They're on YouTube, social media, everywhere. So guys, check them out. Make sure you start doing their classes and get to it. So in this one, I'm going to put 200 ml of bottled water. Guys, it's up to you if you want to use bottled or tap. That's your business. I've got some pineapple chunks here. I've got the equivalent of about 3 ring pineapples. So guys, if you want to, you can prep your fruits in advance and you can freeze them in freezer bags, or you can go to the supermarkets and get the packs with them already pre-done for you. I'm just going to pop in 2 strawberries. It's easier to freeze them in advance because then, you know, you've got them there and they don't go off as quickly as. I'm going to put in some cherries. These ones are quite small, sure. And just going to prep my apples. Got 1 red apple. If you want to use green apple or whatever, that's totally up to you. Like I said, I'm going to put in the skin and everything in there. Guys, I'm just roughly chopping them. They don't need to be any sort of precise sizing or anything like that. And I'm going to pop in 1 banana as well. Guys, depending on what blender you're using or whatever, if you don't have enough space for everything, that's fine. You can blend and add after. You don't actually have to put it all in one go. Okay, so you can blend, add some more, and then blend again. In this case, I'm just gonna squish it down. Y'all know I'm unruly from day dot. Just gonna pop my blending lid on. It's helpful if I turn on the mains, isn't it? So guys, you get the gist. I'm just going to finish blending this and then show you what it looks like when I'm done. Right, love, so I am finished up here. So I'm just going to take this off, replace it with a lid that you can drink from, and then I'm good to go. As always, guys, I'll put everything that I've used in the description box below. And all of that stuff. Guys, remember, you don't have to use these specific fruits. If there's anything in there that you're allergic to or you don't like or whatever, feel free to substitute it. But if it's not a case of allergies or anything like that, guys, try it out. It's really nice. Okay, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and as always, if you have any sensible comments that you want to make, feel free to just type it below. And as always, I'll get back to you, or if you want to, you can email me, find me on social media, any of the above, guys. Okay, so I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe, guys. Stay indoors.